Hello friends, is your car acting unpredictably, stalling, or even refusing to start? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0607, this means your car's control module performance is failing. A faulty control module can cause power loss, rough idling, and even complete shutdown. In this video I'll explain what P0607 means, its symptoms, the exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0607? The P0607 code stands for Control Module Performance. Your car's Engine Control Module, ECM, or Powertrain Control Module, PCM, is responsible for managing engine timing, fuel injection, transmission shifting, and more. When the internal performance of the control module is compromised, it can cause serious drivability issues. Common symptoms of P0607: check engine light, CL, turns on sudden engine stalling or hesitation, failure to start or difficulty in starting, rough idling and misfires, unresponsive throttle or sluggish acceleration, transmission shifting problems. If you're experiencing these symptoms, let's locate the key components. To diagnose P0607, you need to check these critical components: Engine Control Module, ECM, or Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location: typically found near the engine bay firewall, under the dashboard, or next to the fuse box. This is the main module responsible for managing engine and transmission functions. PCM, ECM wiring and connectors location. Wiring harnesses run from the PCM, ECM to various engine sensors. Look for damaged, corroded, or loose connections. Battery and alternator location. The battery is usually in the engine bay, or trunk in some vehicles, and the alternator is attached to the engine. A failing battery or alternator can cause voltage issues that affect the control module. obd2 port, for scanning and diagnosis. Location: under the dashboard, driver's side, used for diagnosing PCM, ECM issues and software updates. Tip: if your vehicle recently had an electrical failure or was jump-started, that could have triggered P0607. Common causes of P0607: faulty or failing ECM, PCM. The module itself may be damaged or defective. Voltage irregularities. Unstable voltage from the battery or alternator can corrupt control module functions. Corrupt PCM, ECM software. A software glitch or failed update can trigger this error. Short circuits or water damage. Moisture or wiring issues can interfere with control module operations. Bad ground connection or loose wiring. Poor connections can lead to inconsistent performance. How to fix P0607. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0607 code and check for related trouble codes. Step 2. Inspect PCM, ECM wiring and connectors. Look for any corrosion, loose connections, or damaged wires. Step 3. Test the battery and alternator voltage. The battery should be 12.6V+ when off, and 14V+ when running. Step 4. Reset the ECM PCM by disconnecting the battery for 15-30 minutes, then reconnecting it. Step 5. Reflash or update the ECM PCM software. A dealer or professional scanner can reinstall the firmware. Step 6. Replace the ECM PCM if necessary. If the module is permanently damaged, a replacement is required. Ignoring P0607 can lead to serious drivability problems and unexpected breakdowns. Fixing this issue ensures your car runs efficiently and safely. For more troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0468. EVAP Vent Control Circuit Low Voltage. P0469. EVAP Purge Flow Sensor Circuit Intermittent. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.